What's up, everyone? So welcome to being underneath Bruce's truck. So what you see right here, I have not done this. This was done before. Someone else had previously did that. But this is the wire that I believe is to my four-wheel drive system, which is, yes, because this is my transfer case. And so there's the wire going straight into the side of the transfer case, and this is supposed to be connected to it. So the rat decided to just have a field day of things and just go to town. This one's probably gonna be tricky. Better yet, here, I'll do it like this. Make life easier on me, ha ha ha. But that one's gonna be a little difficult. Forgive me while I'm trying to get up. Oh. Okay. That's my daughter's little 1,000 horsepower ride right there. Gotta be very careful. There, I got wire exposed right there. Let me cut that little hook off. There. And there we go. Twist this end up.
Oh, Daddy.
What?
Did you just put a new one of those?
Yes, I did. It's called a lighter.
Cause the other one almost burned out of fire.
Oh, that, okay. Ran out of fire.
Yeah. So that why you bought it?
Well, I bought it because I need it to crimp my my wires. Man, the wind is working against me right now. And as I'm trying to get this to melt, there it goes. Heat shrink.
Good.
Yep.
I mean,
It's a heat shrink. Alright, let me go up underneath my truck again. And that's sounds of all my joints cracking and popping. Oh my gosh. Alright. So this one's gonna be the difficult one. Let me try to get this out of my way. Sorry if y'all can't see what's going on. I'm trying to give y'all good angle of what I'm doing, but I'm trying to get my four-wheel drive to work again. Ow. Something just fell in my eye. Well, number one, when you're doing stuff underneath your vehicle, wear safety goggles. Yeah. I'm trying to say glasses and goggles at the same time. Ha ha. Okay, so there it is. If y'all can see it, I put the heat shrink on it, and now I need to put some electrical tape on it, but this electrical tape is old as dirt, so I need to test a strip of it, make sure it's still good. Yeah, the reason I was saying I need to test it, make sure it's still good, is because it has been left out. Poor electrical tape. Don't know if y'all can see what I'm doing, but I'm trying to keep it as tight as possible. Hopefully I will have four-wheel drive. I am definitely going to test that, because what's the point of making Truckin Tuesday videos if I don't have a 4x4? Exactly. Let me make sure y'all can see this. Okay, y'all should be able to. I hope so. And if y'all can't, I'm sorry. I'll just try throw some memes in there and be funny about it. Okay. Got that taken care of. Now, let me connect it. Okay, there. Put that little puppy in a sleeve. Camera angles. Oh, getting too old for this. And I still got to put new brake pads. Oh, wow, there's my son. Hey. All right. Yes. Oh, okay. Sorry, I just took the GoPro off for a second. Ooh, is that spider alive? No, it's dead. Oh, so. Yep, it's dead. Hee. Alright everyone, so I just connected and spliced the wires and did the heat shrink. Yeah, my gosh, heat shrink, really? Heat shrink on the connectors. And about to test a four-wheel drive, make sure it works. Do you think it's gonna work? Alright. I bought this. Hehe. Alright, here we go. Woo! It works. It lit up. It works. My four-wheel drive works. Look, the gauge came on. Alright, so as far as I know, the light says it's on. My four-wheel drive is working. The true test is why I put it in four-wheel low. All right, the RPM should be screaming now.